Jennifer. Thank you so much for watching this video, or if you're new, thank you for coming on my channel. My name is Jennifer, and I am basically figuring it all out as far as what I want to do for my YouTube channel. I love beauty. I am a new mom. I have a almost 3-month-old baby named Grace, and so you may be expecting, you may be gonna see more mommy videos and that kind of content. But I also love beauty as well, so a mix of both. If you like that kind of stuff, then you can subscribe to my channel if you want to see that kind of stuff. And yeah, so that's me. This video is really about the makeup that I wore to Miami. I used to live there about 2 years ago, and it was super humid. I feel like I'm getting used to the weather up north, and I don't know what it is, but when I went recently, it was so humid. It was so hard to just even be outside without sweating. So the makeup that I wore literally it stayed on for a long time, although I did sweat. But I really did not feel like I needed to blot my face or do anything. I didn't feel like I needed to put powder on afterwards, so I really wanted to share the makeup that I've been using. And this is honestly all I wear, especially now as a new mom. I don't have much time to be putting on a full face of makeup, although this is like a full face of makeup, but I just feel like I do it so fast that it literally takes me about 2 or 3 minutes. And keep in mind, I do have very oily skin. However, since the pregnancy, it's a little bit more on the combination side, so I have oily / dry areas. Okay, so I am gonna start off with moisturizing my face. I just took a shower, and I'm taking advantage that my daughter is literally laying down. So if you hear breathy sounds or anything, that's her laying down. She woke up and she's playing with her fingers and stuff. This is the one that I'm using. It's Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer with sunscreen, SPF 15. So I feel like the trick to having the makeup lasting all day long is a good primer. I've gone through so many primers in the past, and nothing has ever stayed on my face like this has. This is the Becca primer. It's the Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector, and I feel like if it wasn't for this, none of this would be possible. I really love this primer, and I feel like this is the trick for my makeup to stay on all day. So what I do is I just put a little dot, not too much, because this goes a long way. It helps to keep the makeup stay on longer, and this practically sticks on my face. Feels kind of like glue, and I think that's what helps for the makeup to stay longer. I really love this primer. Honestly, this is all I use. The only thing about this primer is that it is a little bit pricey. It is, I think, $30, but I guess it's justifiable because it literally helps for all your makeup to stay longer. So I am actually just gonna tie my hair up really quick so it's not in my face. Okay, so I just put my hair up. I hope I don't look like a hot mess, but I am so happy with my curls, with how long my hair is getting, how full it's getting. I haven't done a relaxer in 2 years and a couple months. 2 years and 3 months I haven't done a relaxer, and I'm so happy about it. If you're ever wanting to let your hair grow and not use any relaxers or any chemicals anymore, it's the best thing that I've done to my hair, and it's very healthy. Okay, so the next thing that I use all the time is the Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is the soft matte longwear foundation in the shade 240, which I do think it is a little bit light for me, but I use the bronzer that I use, and just everything all together, it looks pretty put together. So my concealer, I'm going to be using ColourPop's no filter concealer. Literally, I haven't stopped using this since I got it, and it's all I use. I just love how natural it makes me look. That's it. Look, just those two things, it makes me feel a lot more put together. It makes me feel a lot better. So this is another great product that honestly I have not stopped using it since I bought it, and I really need to buy the full size. But this is a little travel size of this powder, which is the Laura Mercier powder, and translucent. Honestly, this is another reason why my makeup does not move, because of this powder. So next thing we're gonna do is bronzer, and I just really like this bronzer by Elf, and this is in Constantly Bronzed. I've been using this for a while, and I think I've even mentioned it before multiple times, and I just really like it. Somebody wants to do some makeup too. You want to put makeup on too? You don't need it. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're a beautiful baby. You're a beautiful baby. Okay, so that was my daughter. She was crying. Now she's calm. So the next thing we're gonna do is blush, and this is the only blush that I use. It's from Tarte. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Okay, I'm back again. She should be entertained for at least a couple minutes. So the blush I'm going to be using is the Tarte blush, and this is in the color Feisty. I've used this many times before, and I really like it. It just goes really well with my skin tone. So the baby's entertained. I'm going to take advantage and do my eyebrows, and I'm just brushing them out right now. And now I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil and taupe. And I really like the color. It's not dark at all. I used to have a dark brown one, and it just looked really dark. This one's just very light and looks super natural. And I'm going to be using now the clear brow gel by Anastasia, and it helps for everything to stay. It will not come off. I'm using the Winky Lux palette, and I'm basically using those two purple colors in the bottom, and they look so nice together with brown eyes. I love how they look together. Okay, and I'm using CoverGirl and also this one by Lash Paradise together. It is basically waterproof. I'm using the best lip gloss ever by Fenty. I love it, and it smells so good. And yeah, that is my Sweatproof makeup, natural makeup. I hope you guys like this video. I'm so glad you guys joined in, and stay tuned for my next videos. Thank you. Bye.